The energy today is really focused on the physical body and the root chakra. So your foundations, your finances, your physical body, exercise, etc. You also may feel a bit of stagnation because that energy is very slow. Okay. We're working on the first level of the field and the physical body. As the day progresses, you're going to evolve into the mental field. If you do the grounding work first thing in the morning, focusing on the physical body and physical health, then the mental field will be much more clear for you to make good decisions, make any shifts or changes that you need. It is a day to begin to plan and to crystallize and bring coherence into the light body so that you can step into a place of illumination. Okay. The illuminated energy of radiance, solar energy is very strong today if you can ground and bring coherence into the mind.